Welcome! If you want to customize volume panels into a Motorola Moto G60S, first of all go into a Play Store and find Volume Styles application. I'll show you. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait for a second for installing. And now click open. Then you choose your volume styles, for example like iOS. And on the top we got start button, so press it. And now need give permissions for this application, turn on here, and one more time in our settings. Here, allow, got it, and use volume styles. And now when we see on the top stop button, new volume styles panels are activated. So let's try, and how you can see, it's volume styles like iOS. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.